So as it stands, when someone is convicted of killing their partner or ex-partner with whom they have children, they do not currently lose their parental responsibility. The Victims and Prisoners Bill changes that and means they will automatically have their parental responsibility suspended upon sentencing. There would be a swift review by a judge to ensure it is in the best interests of the children. This is known as Jade's Law, after Jade Ward, who was murdered by her former partner in 2021. Her family campaigned to change the law after her murderer was able to continue to take part in key decisions relating to their 4 children. The rule will apply to anyone convicted of the murder or voluntary manslaughter of a person with whom they share parental responsibility for children. There is an exemption where a victim of domestic abuse kills their abuser. It will benefit children by preventing the offending parent from having a say over key decisions relating to their life, including medical treatment, which could include therapeutic support that may be particularly important at that time, whether they can go on holiday abroad or change schools, as well as educational decisions generally. This can be used as a means to continue to control and abuse the children and the family of the victim. This can clearly cause further trauma to the family and put the children's emotional well-being at further risk. The victim's family will no longer have to go through the current process of applying to restrict parental responsibility through the family court, where the onus was on them to prove why the offending parent should no longer have parental responsibility. It reduces the burden on them at a challenging time. It also means that the victim's family do not need to engage with the offending parent, which can be incredibly difficult and destabilizing for the children. Some offenders may even make it more difficult for the families of the victims to get the necessary orders to have the children placed in their care by engaging and seeking to drag out family proceedings. By removing their parental responsibility, this makes this more challenging for them to do. By automatically removing parental responsibility, the Victims and Prisoners Bills restricts the offending parent's ability to involve themselves in key decisions relating to the children. This can only be a good thing and provide the children and victims' family with the space they need to grieve and make the necessary decisions to move on with their lives.